In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a really cool bumper to a DCP IH Prostar. It's a cool detail and adds a lot. First thing you'll need to do is remove the factory bumper. As you can see, I've already done that. Right on the inside, there's going to be 2 pins that hold that on. You can easily take that off with a side cutter that looks like this. Flat-sided, small blade. Even with the broken tip like on mine, you can take these pins off. Here's what the pins look like. And they pop out pretty easy. Once you get the pins out of this is all plastic, okay? Once you get the pins out, we're going to set those off to the side. Then we need to drill out this die-cast rivet. We're going to remove this plastic bracket from this die-cast bumper and add the bracket to this 3D printed bumper. When you have these rivets drilled out, you can get underneath that with a knife and gently pry it up, and it should come right off. You can save the bumper or discard it as you wish. Now we'll dry fit the bumper. If by chance these holes on the plastic bracket are too small, go ahead and ream them out. You can use a small file and file those out, or even a tiny drill bit, but just be careful when you're using your drill bit. When you're satisfied the fit is going to be nice and clean, you can cut these pins short so they're not sticking out where you will not be able to get the rivets back into the plastic bracket. Here's where the rivets are going to go. So you can see these were made long on purpose, just so a guy can trim them down to the way he wants. And just like that, we're ready to glue it on. Once your glue is dry, you're ready to assemble the bumper back on the truck. As it turns out, I need to cut this pin down just a little bit more. And now, ready to try again. There. And just like that, our bumper's on and the hood still opens. Now you're ready to add this detail to your own truck. Thanks for watching.